Hello! My name is Alex Carnifex, and today I'm going to do a simple and easy tutorial on how to check your current version of Google Chrome. First, click on Chrome, Google Chrome. Then go to the right hand corner at the top of the screen, click on Help, and then go to About Google Chrome. Click on it. Then it will take you to the page, thus exposing your current version of Google Chrome and whether it needs to be updated or not. Hopefully this YouTube video was informative. Subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos for just some more amazing content. I am Alex Carnifex, and I am out.